So we decided to come to Kuala Lumpur, and we just arrived in our apartment. It is absolutely incredible. We're just like a 10-minute walk from the Petronas Towers. So let me give you a little tour here real quick, guys. So just walked in the door here. We are on the 23rd floor. And right here, this is actually the fridge. And there is a freezer down below. And this unit has an oven, which is a super duper treat. We haven't had an oven in a long time, and this is a microwave. And then this unit also comes with a washer dryer combo. And yeah, I won't be ironing anything. We also have our stove. We have a water heater, toaster, all kinds of fun stuff. The living room is beautiful, kind of like parquet floor. Nice big table here where we can work and we can eat there. Great living room space, as you can see here. Nice place to hang out. Big giant TV where I guess we will not be watching baseball. So there's Rob.
So happy to be here though. This place is amazing. It looks even better than the pictures were.
Yeah.
Which is good after that flight.
Ooh.
We've flown a lot in the last year and a half, and that's one of the top 5 worst flights.
Felt like we were in a salt shaker for 2 hours.
It was pouring rain in both Bangkok and Kuala Lumpur, and the whole way was just turbulent.
Yes, it was. Actually, it felt kind of like in Finding Nemo, the little girl in the dentist's office shaking the fish. That's what it felt like.
This is a great reward.
It is. Let's look out here before we head to the bedroom. So this is the balcony out here. Take a look out into the city. This is the other building. There's 2 towers. We are in Tower A. And just take a look around here. Lots of construction and expansion going on. I can see a soccer game going on in the distance. That's kind of cool. Looks like a beautiful, really colorful city. So let's go take a look in the bedroom, see what they've got in there. The bedroom and the bathroom are really cool. So let's go take a peek at those. Let's see. So this is the bedroom. Look at that. Beautiful king-size bed. Really a ton of space. You don't see this a lot in Southeast Asia, right, Rob? Got a great view out here as well. And there's a desk area here. Can sit and work there if we want a change of view. And then we got closet space in here. All this is closet. All this wall area is closet. And then let's take a peek at this bathroom. Look at this beautiful tub. And then sink area and the toilet, and there's also a shower. So really great space. Looking forward to working here and being here for the next 10 days.